Well, hi folks, not done one of these for quite some time, so just thought I would explain your retask today. So remember, it's only a 3-day week anyway, okay? So it's to do with area of shapes, and we'll just be looking at straight edge shapes just now, okay? So first level, so you pick, there's 3 levels, pick 2 levels, okay? So your first level, you're given a grid of 1 centimetre squares, and you'll see your shape on that grid, okay? And you're going to work out what the area is of the shape. So the area of any of these shapes, just the space inside the actual shape. Now, level 1 is, what you're doing here is you're actually counting how many squares are in the shape. So you 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, they're centimetre squared, so the area of this shape is 4 centimetre squared, okay? This shape here, 1, 2, 3, so the area is 3 centimetre squared. So some of the shapes get a bit more complicated, okay, try and move this up. But again, you just count the number of squares in the shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 14 centimetre squared. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you're getting the hang of this. Centimetre squared. Now, what we've got here, I'll just take this one. We've got a diagonal here that's cutting right through one of the squares, so that's half of a square. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's a half, so that's actually 5.5 centimetre squared. Okay, so you have to count this as well, but if it's going from corner to corner, you know that's exactly half a square. Okay, so there's 1 half, another half, another half, and another half. So there's 4 halves. If you've got 4 half of a pizza, then you can combine them together to get you 2. So that's 2 centimetre squared. Okay, so that's level 1. Now level 2 is very similar, apart from it doesn't actually have the grid, so you can't actually use the count and square method. Okay, so there's some examples here. So you just actually have the sizes of the actual square or rectangle. Okay, now if you look at this one just from level 1, there's a wee easier way of doing this without having to count. What you do is you measure the breadth and the length of the actual shape. Okay, so that's 2 centimetre and that is 4. And all you can do here is you can take these 2 numbers and that will actually give you the area as well. Okay, so this area, and I can show you here. Okay, so in level 2 you're actually going to be using a formula to work out what the area is. Now if you remember when you're doing swimming, the longest part of the pool is you're doing lengths, the shortest part is you're doing breadths. And if I could spell breadths, that would be a fantastic, far too early in the morning for us. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, and what you've got here is you've got area equals length times breadth. Now some books you see them talking about, instead of breadths it's widths. Okay, but it's just these 2 measurements, and that's the area, whether it's a square, which is just a rectangle with every side the same length, or a rectangle itself. Okay, it's area equals length times breadth, and the unit's always whatever measurement is squared. Okay, so if we just have a wee quick look here, so this is level 2, you've got length times breadth. Okay, so that is the length, so you can use L to work out the length and B for breadth. So it's actually 6 times 4, which is 24 centimetre squared. Now if it said inches or if it said metres there, then it's metre squared. This one is 4 times 4, which is 16. Doesn't always have to have a 4 there, okay? And this one is 4 times 10, which is 40 square centimetres. Okay, so that is your level 2. So you're actually using the numbers and just multiply the numbers together. Okay, level 3 is quite similar. It's basically combining both levels together, in which you actually have shapes that are, it's more like maybe somebody's bedroom or a room in the house. It's not a square or a rectangle, it's actually a mixture of both. So what you can do here is you've got a shape, and these called compound or composite shapes. Basically it's two or more shapes joined together. You can actually just put a wee dotted line here, and now you've got two shapes that are rectangles. You've got A and B. Okay, so the area of A just cover that wee bit, and you can see it's 10 by 6. So that's 10 times 6, and that's 60. I forgot to put the units there, so I'm just going to stick with centimetre. Area B, okay, that area is 6 times 4, and that's 24 square centimetres. And obviously it's the area of the whole thing, so you have to add these up. So that's 84 square centimetre. And I'll try and remember how to spell breadth for the next time. But if you need any help, just give me a wee shout, okay? Best of luck.